Okay, so we're going to talk about the percent circle, and this may already be on one of the recordings, but if not, you want to learn what the percent circle is. So percent circle can be used just about with every type of percent problem. It's part divided by percent times whole, okay? Now, in other cases you learned about is over of, etc. So P stands for part, which refers to the word is in the word problem. Is, and later on today you have some worksheets for that. And we also have the word of for whole, okay? So it's part divided by percent times whole. So you only need two pieces to answer this question, okay? Part divided by percent times whole. So if I say 15% of 20, all I need to do is plug in the numbers. How many numbers do we see there on the board? Two numbers, right? They are, well, 15 is a number and 20, correct? So we need to plug in the numbers into two of these places. Now we need to determine where they're going to go. Well, 50%, where does that go? Top or bottom? Bottom. So if we put it on the bottom, 50%, but we have to turn that percent to a decimal. How do you turn a percent to a decimal? Move it what? Two places to the left. So you should know that already. So it's 0.15. Okay. And guys, talking, please. And the word of always refers to part or whole. What do we see? Whole. It refers to whole. So it just says 0.15 times what? The whole is 20. And that's how you solve for the answer. That's how you set it up. 0.15 times 20, and then you get your answer. Is that clear? Yeah. What if I have 32 is what percent of 40? We're plugging in again. How many numbers do we have here again? Two again. 32 and, 32 and what? What's the two numbers we have? 32 and 40. 32 and 40. Very good. Now I said the word part always refers to is, and the word whole refers to of. Where does the 15% go? Top or bottom? Sorry, 32. Do we have a percent here? Yes or no? Yes. In the second one, 32 is what percent of 40? Right. Do we have a number for percent? Yes or no? Yes. I see a number in front of there? No. There's no number. We're looking for the percent. So we cover our hand over that. And now it's part divided by what? Whole. Okay, so what is the part? The 32 or the 40? 32. The 32 goes on the top, right, over 40. And then you just divide that out. And then whatever number you get, it becomes a decimal. Then you what? Move it two places to the right and add a percent sign. Clear? Yes. Okay, so this is called the percent circle. With all percent problems, you can use this. So later on, you'll learn about the percent of increase and decrease. Okay? So you need to know how to at least draw this circle. So we're going to try another example before we go on break. How about I say 18, okay, is 30% of 90. Again, if we do our circle, and again, our circle again is what? Part divided by percent times whole. Right, and that represents the word what? Of. And then part represents the word what? Is. Very good. So, this doesn't look good. So we have 18 is 30% of what number, I should say. Of what number? So, what are the two numbers that we see on the board? 18 and what? 30. So these have to go somewhere. Where does the 18 go? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
No, definitely not. The word, let's look at
the whole number.
18 is the part, it has the word is. If the number's in front of is, that is the part sign. So it's going to be 18 on the top. And then where does the percent go? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom, right? So it becomes what? 30% or 0.30? Okay?
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Is there a Rosa Gomez here?
No.
Did she come live all today?
No. All right, I'll update you if she does, okay? Are we clear on that? So 18, so again, if you had to work the math out, it'd be 0.30 into what? 18. We learned this last week. Can you have a decimal on the outside? No, so we have to move it 1, 2, or whatever we do. There's always understood to be a decimal here, yes or no? Yeah. Whole numbers always have a decimal, and how many places we move it? 1, 2, we add 2 zeros, the new decimal's here. Oops, sorry, we don't put a 0 there. The new decimal is at the end right there, which is here. And it goes 30 times what makes 180? 6. So what's the answer? Move it 1, 2, bring the decimal up here. So it's 60 what? 60 is a number, 60.00. Clear with that? Okay, so again, this is called the percent circle. You need to look at this and more. I'm going to give you examples today, okay? Let's try one more example and we'll go from and we'll close up. Okay, 30% of 90. Again, draw your circle. Part divided by percent times whole. We represents of and represents what? Is, right? So where's the percent go? Top or bottom? So it's 0.30 on the bottom. And of 90, of refers to the top or the bottom?
Bottom.
0.30 times 90, and whatever answer you get. Now this is multiplying decimals. You just know 0 times 0 is 0, 9 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 9 times 3 is 27, 0, 0, 2, 7. Move it 1, 2 from the end, 1, 2, so the answer is 27. Clear? Everyone understand that? It looks clear, but until you practice, you're not going to get it. So now you have the recording, you can watch it, go over it, do some more examples, okay? That's it.